Welcome to this beginner-friendly tutorial on Google AI Studio, your one-stop tool to create stunning AI videos in just minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to help you get started, even if you've never used AI tools before. So let's dive right in. What is Google AI Studio? Google AI Studio is a powerful web-based platform by Google that allows you to create AI-generated content, including videos, animations, and images, using simple prompts and tools. It's designed for creators, marketers, educators, and anyone who wants to bring their ideas to life quickly without needing advanced video editing skills. Step 1. Go to aistudio.google.com. Sign in using your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Once you're in, you'll see a clean and simple dashboard with different tools like chat, stream, video gen, and more. Step 2. Click on Video Gen. Step 3. Enter your video script or prompt. You can type something like, "An inspiring sunrise over the mountains." Google AI Studio will process your input and start generating a preview of your video. Step 4. Customize your video. You can now adjust the number of results, aspect ratio, video duration, frame rate, and resolution. Step 5. Preview and edit. Once the video is generated, preview it. If you need changes, you can easily go back and tweak the script or settings. Step 6. Once you're happy with the result, you can now download the video to your device or share it directly to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, or Google Drive. Tips for best results. Use short and clear prompts. Be specific with scenes, emotions, or actions. Experiment with different styles and voiceovers to find what works best for you. And that's it. You've just created your first AI video using Google AI Studio, all within minutes. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.